How to use Xero accounting software UK. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Xero accounting software in the UK. Xero is a cloud-based accounting platform designed for small businesses and accountants with strong support for UK tax rules and compliance. Using Xero, you can automate bank feeds, invoicing, VAT submissions, and payroll with a user-friendly interface. To get started, connect your UK business bank accounts and credit cards to import transactions automatically. You can do this by clicking on login if you already have an account, or by clicking try Xero for free so you can sign up for this software. Xero categorizes your transaction using AI rules that improve over time, so you spend less time coding expenses manually. So you can find here several information that you have to fill out, like first name, last name, email, phone, location. Of course, you're going to type in United Kingdom, and then you also have a choice if you want to get notified of the notice or offer details. The platform supports UK VAT schemes such as flat rate, standard, and cash accounting, so you can prepare and submit your VAT returns directly to HMRC through making tax digital compliance, which saves time and reduces errors. Xero is ideal for UK businesses wanting a comprehensive, cloud-based solution to stay compliant and streamline accounting. And that's how you use Xero accounting software in the UK.